Hey, Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, and it's time for the three big things you need to know. First of all, I want to talk to you about what's going on with mortgages and mortgage rates because there's a lot of uncertainty and a lot of volatility in the market right now. And a lot of people have been complaining that they just didn't want to buy because interest rates are too high. So let's address too high and let's address tomorrow. So, first of all, I know interest rates are higher. They're higher than they were, but they're not higher than the average over the last 40 years. They're actually about normal, but they seem higher because it's not what we have been used to. I understand it. Now, having said that, our federal chairman, Jerome Powell, has been out in Europe visiting with the central banks, Portugal, Spain, Europe, and the European Central Bank just raised their Fed rate another half a point. They're experiencing inflation just like we are. So they are planning on having additional Fed hikes. So Jerome Powell has said, we are really not getting over this inflation like we thought we would. So he is saying that we will probably be into at least two more hikes this year. So before the end of the year, expect some more hikes. We are at over 9% inflation. We're trying to get to 2%. That's a big spread. So expect that if you don't like interest rates today, you're going to like them a lot worse tomorrow because they're going to get worse before they get better. I expect we won't start seeing interest rates with a nice improvement till the end of 2024, early 2025. That doesn't mean it's not a good time to buy. Right now is a perfect time to buy. Sellers are still willing to make a deal. But the second thing you need to know is there's no inventory out there. So if you think housing prices are going to go down, how can they go down when there's a shortage of inventory? We all know supply and demand. If there's less supply and there's more demand, prices go up. That's what we're experiencing. Now, we hit a rock bottom. We're already over the bottom of the market. Housing prices have flattened. They're already on their way back up. We saw, I think, between a 1.4 and a 2.2 increase in property values year over year from this time last year. So they're already bouncing back and they're bouncing back sharply. We're already seeing multiple offers on homes. So, having said that, if prices continue to go up and interest rates go up, what do you think that does for the first time home buyer? Third big thing you need to know. First time home buyers are in the game right now. But since Hometown Heroes opened up to so many different programs and is not restricting it to occupations now, it's opened it all up. So Hometown Heroes on Monday opens back up. But I'm going to tell you something. The $100 million they just got will be gone, I think, in 4 to 5 months. They say 5 to 6. I think there's too much of a demand. I had a workshop for down payment assistance on Thursday of last week. We filled the house up, and I'm going to tell you something. The demand is high. So time is of the essence. So let's just look at this because I think it's going to be here to get today and it's going to be gone tomorrow. So if you think that you can wait for down payment assistance, let me just show you this quick chart right here that I put together. So City of Orlando, nice chart. They have money right now. You can get up to $40,000 in down payment assistance. I can help you out with that. Orange County, you can get up to $45,000 in down payment assistance. Then we've got Seminole County. So Seminole County, you can get up to 50,000. Sorry, out of money. Oh, well, let's go to Osceola County and look at their down payment assistance. You can get up to $80,000 in down payment assistance. Sorry, not accepting any more applications. Oh, well, let's look at Brevard County. They got some money. You can get up to 22.4. Sorry, they're out of money. You get my point. I got Florida Bond. I got Hometown Heroes. I got City of Orlando. I got Orange. I got Orange County. There's multiple company or municipalities that have down payment assistance money. But there's so many people that are in the same boat that you're in and really need this down payment assistance that it's going to drain the system and it's going to drain it fast. So if you're considering buying a home, don't wait around. The Loan Arranger Cross Country Mortgage is right here to help. Apply right now at webringyouhome.com so I can get you registered for your piece of the pie as soon as possible. If you need a real estate agent, then let me know. I will connect you to a great real estate agent in your area that will give you 25% of the buy side commission back to you. Now, you get a great loan from me, you get my down payment assistance program, and you get a realtor rebate. I want to tell you something. You can get into a home for very little money out of pocket, less than it would cost you to rent an apartment. Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger, Cross Country Mortgage, top 1% in the country, and here at your beck and call. You just call me right now or apply online at webringyouhome.com, and I'm there to help you. Have a great weekend.